Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. My name is Sweetie Pinjani. This is UVM question and answer series where we are going to answer a lot of UVM question. Today we are going to cover one trick question. The question is, can you instantiate verification components inside your test? Verification components like I will say agent. Agent is a component which encapsulates your sequencer, driver, and monitor. Then the verification component like scoreboard. Can you instantiate them inside the test? Let's answer this question. The answer is yes, it's possible. I have also shown a coding example. I have a AMBA test which extends UVM test. Since test is a component, it uses UVM component utils. AMBA protocol consists of three protocols, which is AXI, AHB, and APB. I have created agents for all three of them and I have instantiated them inside my test. I have also instantiated the scoreboard. Now for me, I am having only one scoreboard for AXI, AHB, APB. If you want, you can have different scoreboards, but in my case, I have kept only one. It's your choice. And then we will have the different functions, like we'll have build phase where you will instantiate your agent scoreboard. Then you will have connect phase where you will establish the connections. You will connect your analysis ports from the agents to the scoreboard. You will connect your functional coverage component analysis ports. This will help in the coverage collection. It means it's possible. If you even try to run and execute such code, it will run. But now here is the tricky part. It is not recommended. Why? First thing is, when you do such thing, the the test writer needs to have the knowledge of how to configure environment. It is must. And mostly it is not mandatory that the test writer will have this information, but since you are writing your you are instantiating your components inside the test, it increases the complication, and then the knowledge of configuring the environment becomes must for your test writer. The next thing is, say if something changes in your environment, some topology changes in your environment, multiple test files need to be updated, and that too manually. Again, it creates complication and your test will not be reusable. That's why it's not recommended. What is the solution? Solution is instantiate your verification components inside your UVM environment, and then instantiate this UVM environment inside the test. Then what will happen? Whatever changes are there in your environment, that will be reflected in your test. One caution you should follow: since the test can do a variety of stuff, it's important that in your environment you keep some configuration knobs wherein you can enable or disable verification components. Say, for example, you want to have a passive agent, then you need to disable your sequencer and driver. You only have to keep monitor. So, such kind of configuration knobs should be there. I hope this clears the question. It is possible to instantiate verification components inside the test, but not recommended. Solution is keep it inside the environment. We will see a lot of questions on UVM. If you want to get updates, you can subscribe to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. See you soon.